Welcome to Tampa, Florida, our new US production facility. Protecting critical infrastructure means cloud, software, and hardware development. You want to see how we do hardware production? This is how.
We don't outsource manufacturing. We own it. From our industrial firewall, diodes, our drive, our MD Touch drive, all the way through to our kiosks. Every OPSWAT product is built, tested, and fulfilled right here to meet our customers' toughest environments.
We are constantly looking for new hardware, new CPU, memory boards, storage devices, PCI cards, to bring you the best performance available to make sure our product exceeds any expectation and provide you highest reliability.
By producing and assembling here, we eliminate the dependency on overseas supply chains, ensuring we meet the strictest guidelines on both US and international standards. We're currently working on or have the following compliance standards: ISO 9001, 27001, CTPAT, CMMC, and many others to come.
For example, we take ISO 9001 very seriously. We have built multiple gateways into all of our processes, from a supplier shipment having defective parts that get physically quarantined from the rest of our stock, to a complete quality review on every order before it ships. Quality matters to us, just as you do.
Manufacturing locally helps our product and R&D teams work side by side.
Thank you, Mike. Today I'm building your kiosk. I'm making sure that your USB kill, your screws, and your image is good to go on this device.
Hi, today I'm building a diode. I've just finished imaging this one, and right now I'm on to the second one. As soon as I'm done with this one and I check out the image, I will be handing it over to QA/QC.
Every product undergoes rigorous quality control. Every product, every feature, every port is tested by me and handed off to packaging.
This is where I take the certificate of quality, the quick start guide, securely packaged in the box, off the shipping. Everything you need to get you up and running fast.
Safety first, OSHA compliant, and maybe just a little fun.
So now you know. This is how seriously we take hardware production. If you'd like to get a private tour of this facility, talk to your sales rep.